Quality definition. Project quality management process starts with a clear definition and understanding of the quality. Defining quality is the process of setting quality standards that the project needs to achieve throughout the project lifecycle. Before starting a new project, we need to understand what constitutes quality for that particular project and what must be done to reach that quality level. This in turn will depend on what the project stakeholders expect and require. In most projects, primarily the project clients will determine the quality requirements and expectations. Clients' quality requirements are usually decided, agreed, or communicated before the project is commissioned. That is why a quick way to define the quality is to review project documents, such as the project charter or project scope statement. Sometimes the project team can understand the quality standards by reviewing the relevant industry practices. The team can understand the quality standards by looking at characteristics of similar successful projects of the past. For some projects, the project team need to consider relevant government regulations. The government or regulatory bodies may already have rules and standards that the project team needs to comply with. The rules that the government body sets become part of the definition of project quality. After understanding project quality from different perspectives of the key stakeholders, such as project clients, government, and end users, the team starts organizing all inputs and finalizing the quality standards for the project. The criteria that specify a project's desired level of quality are known as quality standards. The term quality is often challenging to define because it is quite broad and subjective. After all, two people's definitions of good can be wildly different. That is why the project manager needs to ensure that his team clearly understands project's quality standards and quality requirements. Ideally, quality standards should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. However, the project team cannot embed quality standards into a project without considering the cost implications. Achieving quality standards has cost implications. That is why team needs to understand the cost of quality, COQ. The COQ is the total cost to deliver a project's products, services, and deliverables according to the defined quality standards. Costs of quality can be divided into two categories: cost of conformance and cost of non-conformance. Cost of conformance refers to the total expenses incurred to ensure that the project adheres to established quality requirements and standards. Imagine we are building a house, and there are specific quality standards for the materials used and construction processes. The cost of conformance would include the money spent on high-quality materials, skilled labor, inspections, and any other measures taken to meet the required standards. Cost of nonconformance represents the total expenses resulting from a failure to meet the established quality standards. In other words, it is the cost of fixing defects, errors, or issues that arise due to poor quality. Continuing with the house construction example. If the construction does not meet the specified standards, we might face problems like structural issues, safety concerns, or defects that need to be fixed. The cost of non-conformance would include the money spent on repairs, rework, and any consequences of not meeting the quality standards initially. In simple terms, we can think of cost of conformance as the money spent to do things right from the beginning to meet quality standards, and cost of non-conformance as the money spent to fix things when quality standards are not met. After evaluating the relevant cost of conformance and cost of non-conformance, the project team will create a project quality plan. A project quality plan describes all the defined quality standards that will satisfy the expectations of the relevant project stakeholders. The plan will include not just the desired quality standards, but also how the team will achieve these standards through quality assurance and quality control. A quality checklist developed within a quality plan is used as a reference or benchmark during the quality assurance and quality control stage. Ideally, a quality plan should also outline an overview of the processes and steps required to assure and control the quality of the project. Finally, the quality plan also identifies the required standards and characteristics of project policies, processes, and procedures.